But whether the older generations have more wisdom or not, let's presume for a minute they do. Younger generation definitely is more smart, more intelligent, and more adaptable. And that's why human race has actually progressed the way it has progressed. Obviously, there are negatives to the development and progress. It's not all a wonderful story, but there is always that learning. So I'm sure the current youth that you are all, and more importantly, current youth that you're all trying to help through your efforts, formal, semi-formal, is going to turn out to be a good human situation by 2040 or 2050. A lady, Riya Chaudhary said, we believe in breaking stereotypes. Now, let me also say this here. If you all consider history and our own experience in lifetime or your family experience, breaking stereotypes or what has been referred to in some literature as irreverence for the establishment is again a characteristic of the youth. And that's great. Because only when you question stereotypes, only when you show healthy irreverence, you break new grounds. For individuals, for groups, again for human race. And so I'm completely with Riya Chaudhary in what she's saying. Breaking stereotypes, I must say this, and I see I'm going to say this with as much of modesty as possible. Being the head of an institution, I often say that even for the movie Three Idiots, my unconscious effort was, and after that, my conscious effort continues to be a good mix of Rancho and Vishnu Sahasrabuddhi.
That's true.
I would want to be a good mix of both. Systems are important to maintain, especially when it comes to serving people. At the same time, breaking stereotypes, questioning systems, reviewing systems, and revising them is important. So neither Vishnu Sahasrabuddhi nor Rancho was the hero or the villain. For me, both were heroes and both were villains in that narrative.
Very true.
And so what we need to do at every stage of life, and certainly once the youth comes into some position of responsibility, as you all will, try and get a mix of both. Maintaining system, learning from the past, and yet questioning stereotypes, raising questions in appropriate forums in a proper manner.